Hello guys, today I'll show you how to do kill trading in kill events. So basically kill events is a default event which occurs on every weekend in Last Shelter Survival. In this event we have to kill enemy troops of different tiers or levels, you can say, to gain maximum points. At several points we get great rewards. So let's see how to do it. See. So basically this is the kill event guys. I'll show you here. So you have to kill different level troops to gain different points. I have already 882k points, so I'll start from there. So guys, in this event I recommend you to find a friend from state chat or your alliance to exchange kills with you. And by exchanging kills I mean to just damage our troops, not kill them. If we kill them, then there will be a big loss for the both parties, so that is not recommended. And also guys, I recommend you do this trick only when you have at least level 6 troops. I have level 5 troops in this video, so I'll show you what happens when you use level 5 or below troops, because that will cost you a lot more amount of resources that then you can gain from the boxes. So I recommend don't do this trick if you have level 5 or below troops. So let's go and see how it's done. So you can find a friend from your alliance or from state chat. If the friend is from your alliance, one of you has to leave the alliance, then you can do trade. Okay, so then guys, let's start it. I've contacted my friend and he was from my alliance, so he left the alliance, and I'll show you how it's done. So guys, find a resource station like this and send one of your ACP to gather the resource. Now guys, I recommend you should let the other win alternatively. Win one time and let the other guy win one time, so that this event can be done effectively. Otherwise you will get more and more points and he'll keep getting less points, so you will be done in like 10 or 11 attacks and he will be just half completed by then. So that will not be beneficial for him. For you, yes, but for not for him. Okay guys, then station your APC on that gathering point and attack that station. I'll show you how. Don't click attack, because attack will kill the enemy troops. You have to select gather. Click on gather and gather resources from that station. Let's see how it's done. So I'm sending my weaker APC there. Now see guys, this is my friend and I'll select gather, not attack. Please select gather. See guys, my power 683,023. So his troops are going back, and then recall your APC. Recall it. My power is decreased. See, 2k power is decreased, so I'll just heal them. So you have to use speed boost, healing speed boost, because if your hospital capacity is maxed out, then you will lose troops, and that is not what we recommend. You should have enough speed boost to heal your troops faster. Okay, then I'll use some to show you. Okay guys, then now see, I'll send my one APC to that resource gathering station to get this done effectively. Now you can see guys, my power is back to that level where it was, no power loss. And guys, because I used level 5 troops, I might have spent like 2 or 3 million resources more than I should. So it's basically not recommended to use level 5 troops. If you need diamonds, if you need teleports, then you can do this, but I recommend don't do that. Now my friend is sending his APC back. See, now this time I will suffer more loss because he'll be sending his better APC. Okay, so now he's attacking me, and see guys, I lost almost 34k power. Now I'll just go and heal those troops. Guys, remember to heal your troops as fast as possible because you don't want to reach your hospital capacity. That will be a disaster for you. You will lose troops as well as power. See guys, I have to use so many resources to get my troops healed, so I don't recommend you to use level 5 troops, at least level 6. So now I have healed them, and see, my power is back to normal. It will take time, but yeah, see, I got almost 300k points. So yeah, if I were using level 6 troops, then I would have got around 400 or 450k power points. So that was a better option. Now guys, you can see my power, it's back to where it was. Now I'm sending my APC again, and you can repeat it till you both get your orange boxes and the challenge is completed. Thank you guys. Guys, if you need any more video on any other subject in Last Shelter, you can just comment and I'll make the video for you.